for all the reasons we just discussed, there we want to learn from the mistakes of the past, so to speak, and put a good authorization standard in place for MCP. Why is that OAuth? Why not something else? Like why is OAuth the thing we want to add to MCP, and how does that work?
This makes perfect sense, because it is despite this being new, the MCP and the abilities that you get with AI is all new stuff. The patterns and the relationships of the players are the same. There's third-party software accessing somebody else, some other service's API on behalf of a user. A user is using some software, interacting with that software. That software is going to go get data from another API that is, written by a different company. And that's the exact problem OAuth set out to solve. 20 years ago, it was not AI uses, but it was the same relationships of the players. Of a user is using some software, that software wants data from something that is operated by somebody else, and don't want the user to put in their credentials because we don't want that piece of software to have unlimited access. And it's the same thing with AI, right? Like, I don't want the agent to get unlimited access to my email, but I want to be able to grant it some sort of limited access, whether it's read-only or read-only to certain folders or whatever it is. And that's exactly the problem that OAuth solves with how it sets up all the different players.